Welcome to the Daily Insights that matter. The primary market or the IPO market is set for a revival with several companies planning to launch their IPOs, and the momentum is increasing with every passing week. This week we'll have 3 companies which will be open for subscription. Interestingly, about 71 companies are planning to launch their IPOs in the second half of the fiscal year 24. Talking about the 3 IPOs this week, first up is Ratnaveer Precision Engineering, which is a stainless steel product manufacturer with a primary focus on producing various finished products including sheets, washers, solar roofing, hooks, pipes and tubes. This IPO opens on September 4th and closes on September 6th. The IPO comprises of 2 components: a fresh equity issue of 1.38 crore shares and an offer for sale of 30.4 lakh shares. The promoter, Vijay Raman Lal Sangvi, will be selling 30.4 lakh shares through the office. Investors interested in the IPO can bid within a price band of Rs 93 to 98 rupees per share. The minimum bid quantity is set at 150 shares in one lot, with multiples available thereafter. In terms of allocation, approximately 50% of the IPO offer is reserved for qualified institutional buyers, 15% is allocated for non-institutional investors, and the remaining 35% is earmarked for retail investors. The primary objectives of Ratnaveer Precision Engineering IPO are to raise funds for working capital requirements and other general corporate purposes. For the fiscal year ending in March 2023, the company reported revenue from operations totaling 479.7 crore and a profit after tax amounting to 25 crore rupees. The gross margin was 11.83% and the EBITDA margin stood at 9.8%. The second company up for grabs is Jupiter LifeLine Hospitals Ltd. Operating under the name Jupiter, it is a multi-speciality healthcare provider that boasts state-of-the-art technology in the western region of Mumbai. It currently has 3 hospitals in Thane, Pune and Indore, with another hospital under development. Jupiter will open for subscription on Wednesday, which is 6 September, for 2 days. It comprises fresh equity of 73.7 lakh shares aggregating 542 crores and an offer for sale with the promoter offloading 44.5 lakh shares amassing 327 crores. The price band has been kept at 695 to 735 per share. With the price being at a higher band, investors can start bidding for one lot that will fetch them 20 shares. The objectives for the IPO are repayment or prepayment of borrowings and for general corporate purposes. In terms of financials, in fiscal year 23, the company reported revenue from operations totaling 892.5 crore and a profit of 72.9 crores. EBITDA margin stood at an impressive 23.45%. Lastly, we have EMS Ltd IPO. Previously known as EMS Infracon, it is engaged in the business of providing water and wastewater collection, treatment and disposal services. EMS Limited IPO will open later this week on 8th September and until the 12th. Again, the issue will comprise a fresh equity issue of 146.24 crores and an offer for sale by the promoter group of 175 crore rupees. Investors interested in the IPO can bid within a price band of 200 to 211 per share. The minimum bid quantity is set at 70 shares in one lot, with multiples available thereafter. Again, the primary objective of the EMS Limited IPO are to raise funds for working capital requirements and other general corporate purposes. For the fiscal year ending in March 2023, the company reported revenue from operations totaling 538.16 crores and a profit after tax amounting to 108 crores. The EBITDA margin stood at 27.69%. The primary market has been quite active in the second half of the year with several new public offerings. This week, there are 3 noteworthy IPOs set to open for subscription, which are expected to add momentum to the markets. On the back of strong performance of the secondary markets, investor sentiment has remained positive and this shift can be observed in the IPO market. It is worth noting that the IPO wave is very strong with a promising pipeline for the rest of the year. With that, this is me, Rahul Hassan, signing off. Have a great day and stay safe.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment-related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com